Hi, welcome back. My sign name. Today we are learning greetings in American Sign Language. Okay, so the first one is hi or hello. Hi, hi. This is your dominant hand. In ASL, your dominant hand is always the one that usually moves. Sometimes both move, but if there's a moving and a non-moving, it's your dominant hand. So hi, hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you is next. How are you? How are you? When you're asking a question in American Sign Language, it's really important for your eyebrows to be down and your lips to be kind of together. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you.